Thank you. Good afternoon. I did prepare 3 minutes speech. Thank you for the opportunity to be here today. And I want to extend my special greeting to the colleagues that are working for the Forest and Farm Facility and the International Family Forestry Alliance who organize these events. It's a pleasure for me to stay in this event because we are coordinating the International Family Farmers. And since the very beginning of the year, even in 2013 actually, FAO has been facilitating this international family farming by stating that family farming is not just a mode of agricultural production, a mode of crop and livestock production, but it is also about forestry, fisheries, pastoral and aquaculture production. Any farm which is managed and operated by a family and predominantly relying on family labor is a family farm, and this is the slogan that we adopted at the beginning of the year. It's not just a mode of production. Family farming is not just a mode of production, it's a way of life. Altogether, this farm from aquaculture, from forestry, from fishery, from smallholders production, altogether they form the predominant mode of food production everywhere in the world, not just in developing, but also in developing countries. Recent FAO statistics say to us that out of 570 million farms in the world, 500 million are family farms. So they are responsible for producing the largest actually part of the food that we consume every day in our families and our tables. That's why the International Family Farming recognize the role that these farmers play for food security and the eradication of poverty, but not just this. The International Family Farming also recognizes the role that these farmers play to achieve sustainable development in rural areas. Family farming is indispensable with regard to issues of climate change, the preservation of biodiversity, which is able to deliver the ecosystem services and great care for landscapes. And that's why family forestry represents, fully represents the multifunctional characteristics of family farming. This is perfectly in line with the goal that the IEA has set, which is to reposition family farming at the center of not just agricultural policies, but also social policies and environmental policies in the national agenda. So the message that FAO want to convey here is that the International Year of Family Farming is not about boosting family farming in a productivity race against other forms of agricultural production, no matter what the social and environmental consequences will be. Of course, this is not to deny that family farmers are key for increasing productivity. Actually, they are the most productive farm per unit of hectare, and their productivity spreads across multi-cropping systems. So this is not to deny this. It is to say that it's not about more of the same but with new actors. It's not about more of the same but with new actors. The International Year of Family Farming is here to say that if we are serious about enhancing more sustainable and resilient food systems, which are able to feed the world and take care of the heart, which is the slogan of the International Family farming is key, is a key actor to get there. This requires an enabling policy environment that recognizes the centrality of family forest owners and family farmers producers, and the immense importance to sustainable rural development and local economies. So therefore, we use this opportunity of this event in the context of an international family farming to place family forests in the rightful place in the policy dialogue process which we are facilitating. I'm grateful to be here today, and I look forward to the outcomes of this event as we recognize and strengthen the vital role of family forestry to address the challenges that we face today. Thank you very much.